Hey, hi. So in this video, we are going to look at these tiles. I myself have never bought a tile which is more than $30. And when I came across Onuia Tiles, I said I have to really check them out. Okay. I'm seeing some which are being bought at $90, others at $60, and that is actually on $79, $59, almost like $60. And this one actually maybe on discount, I can see. Um, and when you check online, this is what they have to say about them.
Here's the truth about Egyptian cotton. Most brands don't want you to know. You bought towels promising luck.
It's like they say they're made from Egyptian long stable cotton. Onuia Towels are triple the thickness of store brands, okay? And it's the first time I actually came across Egyptian long stable cotton. And when I searched it, I realized actually it really does exist. My first thought was like, wow, maybe this is what Pharaoh used to, use. Okay. I'm kidding about Pharaoh. But there's what they call Egyptian long stable cotton, and it's a premium, la da da da. So, okay, I realized, okay, this guy is okay. What they're saying about Egyptian, it's true, Egyptian cotton. Okay, so, but I wanted to search what people, real people who have bought the towels, what's their experience, because I've really fallen into a victim of many adverts on online. Okay, so these days I usually prefer doing a simple search before I buy something. Okay, so you're going to look at the reviews, what people say. Verified people, what they say about the styles, okay, before we kind of uh, decide to buy these styles. Okay, they do have a Facebook, they do have Instagram, they do have a website, but I think we're going to look at independent reviews so that we can have a good judgment. Okay, so let me first try to cross this website. Okay, so we're going to look at the good things first, okay, because everything has a bad and a good side. All right, so when you go to Transparent, they have over like I think like 600 reviews, and most of them I can say 80% are good, though they still actually bad reviews. Though they try to reply to the bad people who had bad experience. For example, someone is complaining about his order being lost. No one told me where it is, and the refund has not been offered. And this guy actually did reply to this person. So these are kind of the guys who can reply to bad reviews and good reviews on Trustword, and actually it's coming from the founder. So, and this is a few days ago. So that shows like, okay, these guys really have good customer care. They have a lot of 5-star reviews, and when you check on their reviews, most of the people I can say they are satisfied on Trustpilot. Okay, but what about other platforms? What do people say? Okay, so let me try to cross this. What do people say? So I try to go on Facebook. By the way, on their Facebook, there's a page where they have no posts. I think maybe they deleted all the posts. This kind of actually it's a red flag. Why will the company delete on posts? Are they having bad reviews or something? So this is what actually comes to my mind. These guys, if you check their website, it seems to have actually started way back in 2025. That is actually, I think they are like in 1 year in business, 1 or 2 years. And that is another bias about actually such companies, because I've had a bad experience about companies that have just started like 1 year, okay, because some of them, like the stores, sometimes expire, something like that, okay. So when you check about these guys, let's see when exactly they started. That was 2025, so they have made like 1 year, okay. So they have been existing in 1 year, and they have multiple posts on Instagram. I try to check for posts which have comments. Most of the posts have no comments, even if they actually have a lot of views. But I did find some comments posts which had comments. Okay, and some of them are really bad reviews. Okay, so just stay tight. Okay, so just I've told you, like, everything has bad and good reviews. Okay, so don't be shocked when I read some bad reviews. Okay, so there's this video on their Instagram, and someone say this doesn't make sense. Egyptian cotton is not long staple. So which is it? Okay. Just so that in mind, hope they are clear as cozy. They're nice as cozy as towels. Someone said do not purchase these towels, they're not as presented, and the company will not provide a full refund. So there are some people who are complaining about refunds. Okay, though they didn't really. Okay, what quality towels have purchased Toto scam, and on Instagram seems actually they didn't reply to this people well as they did. Okay, though some of them have replies. For example, this one says for me it's the best. Why? Because what is good for someone may not really be good for another one. So it's kind of normal for not everyone to agree these are good towels. Okay. Okay. Wow. Do they absorb that well? So that's one of the comment thread on one of their Instagram videos. Then I found another one which had two comments, but they look to be, for some reason, the comments are not loading. Maybe they were removed. Okay, we're not sure about that. Then I checked another, and this was actually shocking. Someone says, okay, you deleted my previous comment instead of replying. I ordered from you. I never received anything, no tracking. I sent 5 emails, use your contact form, call the US number on your Facebook. I think this is the number. Okay. They have a number of their Facebook. This is unacceptable. Please issue a refund. So most of the people are having refund issues. We're going to see why. Has anyone else had issues with this company? And I just want to say a few bucks, you choose the wrong type. I'm not sure what this means. These towels are not heavyweight. As advised, they will not give a full refund. Okay, so this I've seen it somewhere also. Like in case you need a refund, they may not give you a full refund. They may have to, they over 50. They're over 50 in reduction price, but I would still have thrown away $200. I plan on disputing from my credit card company and not paying 1 cent. Okay, so we're going to see this. These towels are not heavyweight. As advised, they will not give you a full refund. So there's an issue with getting refunds from this company. And unfortunately, these comments are not replied to. This was like something like 25 weeks ago. If you ask for a refund, they will offer you a small percentage refund, like 10%. If you want to return, if you insist that you don't want 10%, you have to pay to ship it overseas to some place in Asia. Okay, they will not stay where, they won't say where, and pay up to $45. So in other words, imagine you bought a towel, maybe like, let me say which one. Let's go back. Let's say you bought a towel of the other one, which we saw at, was it at $60, and you have to return it to Asia. This is like $59. This is like $60. Imagine you have to pay like $45 to return that towel. So it's almost doesn't make sense. We just have to give up. So this is what this person means. So if you can't do it, they tell you to kind of refund you like 10%. Okay, which actually this person is saying, if you want to dispute refunds, you rather do it for your credit card company. All right. Then actually this is same person. Okay, this is not the same person. Your company sold me products that were falsely advertised and refuses to issue a full refund. This is fraudulent advertisement and a dash and EU law. So someone replied to him, horrible company, something happened to me, and how can we proceed with legal? Your company sold me products that were falsely, so The sad thing is, these comments, the company didn't have a chance to reply to them. So, did you get anywhere with them? I'm about to report them to you. I also want to report them to you. I also want to see if you got anywhere with this. Turbo towers. Okay. Though some people say so cute. I don't know if they really bought the stuff. And that's what we get from Instagram. Okay. But the rest of the comments on their Instagram posts are off. They're not off, but they have no comments. I'm not really sure. Maybe they're deleted or no one commented. So, what is your take on this? Are these don't real towels? Are they scamming people? Okay, but looking at their Trustpilot, there's so many good reviews. But as we have really seen, like a product can't really have only good reviews. And about the funding part, I think if you're to risk, for me personally, if I'm to buy them, I will really try to go to Amazon. I'm not really sure if they're there. Reason being is on Amazon, uh, there are some standards as you, the person who is offering the product, you have to kind of declare. And refunding process is much easier on Amazon than buying from an independent website. So for me, in this case, for products which are like, for new companies which are like 1 or 2 years, they haven't really made 5 years in business, I usually don't buy from their sites because I've seen like even those sites expiring and you have nowhere to report to. Okay. But on Amazon, Amazon is not going anywhere, and the Amazon can easily kind of reach out to to the the seller about these products for refund. Okay, so I'm not really sure if they have a listing on Amazon, but what I can say is on Amazon, Amazon has some good tiles which are recommended. For example, I clicked on this. It's only like, okay, 22 and 99 cents. That's around like 30, 23, $23. And it had the label of best choice something, meaning like Amazon really truly recommends it. I see it as like 20,000 reviews, and almost 90% of those are positive. So I rather risk with products which are on Amazon than actually buy from a new website these days. I've really learned a big lesson from. So I'm not really saying this is maybe better than Okura, but if this towel has been recommended by, it has Amazon best choice, it's usually a good sign that it's really good. So that's how I usually choose products on Amazon. If I'm not sure what to buy, I usually look for a choice which has been chosen by Amazon. There's that level that appears on some of these products on Amazon. I'm not seeing it. I saw it yesterday. It had like something like Amazon best choice. It usually has Amazon best choice. And this was the tiles which were okay. So that's what I can say. But for Quira or Onuia Towels, okay, I don't know why I was calling it okay. For Onuia Towels, that's what I can say about their towels. Let me know what you think. They do have good reviews. They do have bad reviews, just as any other company. So it's you to decide. But in my personal view, I'll be comfortable buying these products from maybe eBay or Amazon, where like refund policy is much guaranteed than on independent sites, and also where like sellers are a bit they have to report to like to another body, okay, because you just don't sell anything on Amazon. All right, so that's why I feel more comfortable buying from Amazon, especially for websites which haven't really made like 3 years. For websites which are like 1 year, 2 years, I would rather risk buying those products from Amazon. So that's what I can say, guys. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in product reviews like this. and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye bye.